Hi there, students. Benign, an adjective. Benignly as an adverb. Okay, we use benign in two different ways. Firstly, we use it to describe, we could describe things that are kind, gentle, mild. A benign old lady offered me a cup of tea while I was waiting. And then we also use benign medically. Benign means something that's not going to kill you. It's of a mild type. It doesn't threaten your health. Yeah, it's not posing any serious threat to health. It's not aggressive or recurrent. So, particularly in the medical field, a benign tumour. A tumour can be malignant, that would be cancer, and a benign tumour, one that's not going to hurt you. But that's very specific. But we use benign to mean kind, gentle, mild and favourable. For example, you could talk about a benign climate, yeah? The climate here where I live is actually very benign, yeah? It's not cold in winter and it's not hot in summer. Yeah, I think many other places the climate is not so benign. A benign teacher who doesn't give detention or punishments to the children. The teacher just tells them off. We need to find more benign methods of farming. Chemicals that are benign and don't destroy our environment. Yeah, we need to act more benignly towards our environment, more gently, not hurting it, not harmful. Yeah, so this chemical is benign, it's not harmful to the environment. He has benign intentions, so don't fear him. He's not malignant, he's not going to hurt you, he wants to help you. But then again, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. A decrease in interest rates may well have benign consequences for the economy, positive ones, yeah? A central bank needs to be benign and think what is best for the country's economy. He gave me a benign smile, favourable. He's not going to hurt me. This guy is safe. He's not an axe man, yeah? An avuncular smile, if you like, or a motherly smile. Yeah, a warm-hearted smile. Yeah, so benign says somebody they're mild, they're a mild character, they show kindness and gentleness, and this is the idea of benign. The king or queen of a country should be benign, a benign king. I think in the Middle Ages kings weren't so benign, but things have changed and they're certainly more benign than they used to be. Okay, so what about formality? Benign. I think I'd probably give this a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary, a little bit formal. You might say kindly, harmless, something that's not going to damage, benevolent, kindly, friendly, generous, obliging, something like that. Sympathetic, compassionate, amiable, affable. Okay, so all of these work. So yeah, 6 formality. As to the origin, again this one comes from Latin, benignus meaning good or kind, from bene, well, and genus, kind or type or origin. So a good type, a good origin. Okay. So benign. gentle, kind, not hurting the environment, not threatening, or a disease that's benign. It's not a threat to health. It's not particularly aggressive or recurrent. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Benign.